I feel like I've been developing this really weird but cool mindset that has helped me so much recently. And it's just not caring at all on what other people think. This mindset has just been so freeing because I've just been able to be myself a lot more, be a lot more confident, and do what I genuinely want to do in my life. Because I'm living my own life, not someone else's. And I don't want to live a life where I'm controlled by what other people who don't even necessarily care about me that much dictate how I live my life. It's a big problem I used to have in the past where I wouldn't want to do what I wanted to do. Like, for example, making these videos. I was so scared to do it for so long because, oh, what if this one person who I don't even care about says this about I don't care anymore? And it's just so freeing because the amount of extra things you're able to do that no one really else is able to do. Even like a lot of times in school, like if anyone goes to my school and is in my classes, they would probably tell you like I'm crazy. I do a lot of stuff. I say a lot of extra things. I'm extra because I just have this mentality where I don't really care. It's fun. It makes every day interesting. It spices everything up. It makes going to school, doing whatever you have to do, which seems tedious, which seems tiring, which feels like it's never going to end, which feels like it's every single day. It makes it interesting. It makes it worth doing. And I get the most out of what I do. So, how I've been able to do that is honestly just trying it out, trying those little challenges, those little dares of like standing on a table, standing on a desk, saying something when the class is dead quiet. Even like just saying hi to your teachers. How's it going? Like things like that. It just makes you realize like no one really cares if I do this. If I do this thing, no one is really gonna care, and even if they do, it's not like they're gonna think of it negatively or say something bad to me. So it really was just doing little small things which allowed me to do the bigger things. Like, I remember the first time I performed playing the piano to my school, and I was really nervous. Like, as I was playing the keys, my whole arms were shaking. But as I got more into my songs, and even as I finished, I realized, wow, that was not bad at all. And the worries that I had were the exact opposite because everyone's applauding me, screaming, like, because they liked it so much. So that just made me realize the next time I do it, I'll be so much better and I'd enjoy it so much more. Constantly challenging yourself to try to go that extra step, that extra mile that everyone is not really willing to do. Just having that crazy confidence where you know you can do this or this without no one really caring. Like once you realize that everyone is just thinking about themselves, everyone has their own worries. And if anything, they're just going to respect you if you do something that no one else is really willing to do. I feel like that's why a lot of people respect kind of crazy people, like people who are like sacrificing their life, like climbing a mountain. People respect that because not a lot of people are willing to do it, and it takes a lot to do it. Things like that. Can't think of a billion examples off the top of my head, but I hope you get what I mean. It really helps a lot. Just think about it. I'm not going to cut this video. I'm not. Just think about how much more you would be able to do if you just didn't care what other people thought. All the people you can talk to, all the things that you really want to do that you could actually do. Just think about it. Instead of hiding those thoughts with your phone, scrolling, trying to just distract yourself, think about it for a second. There's no rush. Also, something like just developing myself a lot more by like going to the gym, being stronger, achieving more things has built that confidence more for me, where I feel like I can just do more things, and even if someone has a problem about it or something, like I'm not afraid to stand my ground or be like, no, don't do this. Just I don't okay. Yeah. You just really have to try it out yourself. Like once you can make people's day, I don't think you realize how many people's day you can make by just being a little goofy, being extra, making that extra step by not caring what other people think. And just say like what you're scared of out loud. I'm afraid of achieving my dreams because I'm afraid of what this one person that I don't really care about will say, will do, will think. So think about it. If you have any other worries or thoughts, ask for God's help, and hope this video helps. So yeah, it's really not that deep. It's not just a lot of overthinking. And when I stopped doing that, I've been able to do a lot more. I'll see you later. Peace.